The second platform that I decided to use for creating my presentation was PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a more simplified version of the different tools that you can use to create a presentation. Throughout creating my PowerPoint, I used different tools and different ideas to get the idea and theme across to the students. These included different clip arts that were found through PowerPoint, images found on Google, and music that was found on a website called SoundCloud, which provides free audio files. This PowerPoint is very simple and to the point so that the students have the opportunity to learn in their own environment, also with an adult's help to understand the words that are on the screen. I believe that this PowerPoint is more of a video representation of what a document or a short little clip could provide.